Hello, my name is Samuel. I want to explain to you how my business automation app called ESKO Business Suite works. For those who prefer to watch the video, the laptop is also there. This is an invoice. It's an automation where which price is listed as the inventory. Once you here is samples, you can edit them to suit your own prices. No matter the currency symbol you see here, it doesn't matter. Once you select an item, it will be automatically added on your invoice. Okay, here is it. Let me just choose a new one. Okay, this big television. You can see the price, 5 pieces. Once you put the quantity, it will reflect and add up at the total quantity. And as it adds, the amount in Wales will also be updated. You can choose many languages from it. Many currencies. If your country currency is not here, send me message on my email. I will program one for you. I selected few currencies: naira, dollar, euro, pounds, Ghana cedis, Indian rupee, China yuan, Russian ruble, Japanese yen. So if you need any your country currency, let me know. I will do it for you. Then this is for general currency. This is for USD because dollar symbol has so many countries using it. So I decided to create it separately. The one of the best things about here is that whenever you click save and update, the invoice we save as PDF in a folder called invoices on your laptop. When you open it, you see the invoices. Then you have the option of clearing the invoice without saving it. You can see reset invoice. Once you click it, everything here will disappear. Then you can print invoice before saving it. Once you click save and update, the invoice you will save give you option to print. Okay, let me demonstrate. Save and update. The invoice has been saved at the folder. You can see USD invoice saved and inventory updated. Do you want to print? So I don't want to print. If you want to print, you click yes. If not, you click no. You see how things have disappeared. New invoice number generated. Then on the record, these records, you can see the record of the invoice. You can see today's date, 3rd August 3rd. Customer 1, the amount, everything you click save will automatically update. Secondly, the inventory will be updated. This is one of the best things there. The quantity will be added to the sold quantity. If item 1 is 2,600 and you sold 200 pieces, it will reduce by 200. The sold will be added here. So as here is reducing, the sold quantity will be reducing. And whenever the quantity is less than 50, you will get alert once you log in. So it's a very nice and the best of business automation for mini business, supermarket, pharmacy store, and whatever you are doing. It's very good and you will enjoy using it. So you can see this mini receipt is for supermarket and pharmacy where they would like to print small receipts. Then this is for all currencies. You can see yen, Ghana cedis, all of them. Anyone you choose, it will be updated. So if you have any further question or you want to any customization, you will see my email address or this very phone number is here. My number is on WhatsApp and is on Telegram. Then you put your company number here. It's simple to do. Your company number, once you click here, you write, it will be there. Email address and email, phone number. Once you click, it will be there. So that's what I want to explain. The laptop is also there. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you for your patronize.